Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the HEPA filter on your Winix Zero Air Purifier. You're going to need a replacement filter and you're going to need a little paper clip as well to reset the filter light. So the filter will last between 6 and 12 months depending on use, but this will let you know. It will light up here where it says check filter, and once that's lit up then you know it's time to change your filter. Obviously it's going to depend on the amount of use that it has had. So what we need to do is take off this front panel. This is just held on magnetically up the top here, so just put it towards you and it will come off. You can see that there's two magnetic bits here and it just goes in via these bottom bits, so that comes out nice and easy. And then we need to take out the pre-filter, so down on this bit, and just push in towards the middle like so to release that, and in towards the middle here to release that. Again, 2 tabs at the bottom, that pulls out. You have your carbon filter here and your HEPA filter here. So this one doesn't actually need replacing, doing this purely for the video. You're going to have your replacement HEPA filter, but before you put it in there, give everything a nice good clean in here. So get yourself a vacuum cleaner or a little duster or a cloth and just clean everything. And with your replacement filter, if you have a look, you have a little arrow saying airflow. It doesn't matter which way round they go, airflow. But you've got to make sure that the airflow is pointing towards, so the arrow's pointing in towards the machine. So whether it's this way or this way makes no difference as long as the arrow's pointing in. So you're going to place that in there like so. You're then going to get your carbon filter. These need to be replaced every 3 months, like that. You're then going to get your pre-filter. These need to be cleaned every 14 days. You're going to put the bottom tabs in first like so, and that's going to click into place. Make sure these are facing you, don't put it in that way round. And this all just clips back in here, here, and here. So that's all in. And now this will just be held in magnetically. Make sure these two are going in here. I'm just going to give this a quick clean as well. These two at the bottom in these 2 holes, and magnetically back into place. Now we're going to plug it in. When I did all that, we were unplugged. So make sure you're unplugged when you're doing the filters. So I've plugged it in now. I'm going to turn it on. I'm just going to leave it for a few seconds until it starts working, and then we've got a little reset hole just here. This is where we need to put in the paper clip, and you will see the check filter light will flash 5 times and then it will beep at you to let you know it's been reset, because the machine doesn't know you put a new filter in. I'm going to go in here. You have to go in very far. You have to go all that way in before it will actually press, and you'll feel a little button. You're just going to click in and look. 1 light, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's made a bing at me. It stopped flashing. I can now let go. That has now been reset. So hopefully, depending on use again, it's going to let you know to change the filter in about 6 months or a year's time. Again, depending on use. Thank you so much for watching.